Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, Backyard Heaven. As you can see, we are about to harvest another sugarcane, and you can see we have a lot of sugarcane right there, and over there has a lot of ants as well, because we're not the only ones that like sugar. So I'm all the way back here because I do not want to get bite by any ants. So thank you for tuning in and just enjoy the video. Alright, so my husband is doing the harvesting like most of the videos, and he noticed there are ants, and there he just popped up. So hopefully he don't get bite, and we just have a nice lovely sweet sugar cane in the end. You better watch your feet.
I'm talking about like fire ants.
Just so y'all know, I'm holding the bowl with one hand and eating with the other hand. I'm eating some salad because I gotta eat. Whoa. Whoa, look at that bad boy. Put it back in the dirt.
I know.
Alright guys, so the easy way to grow a sugarcane or replant a sugarcane is to just, if you look at the sugarcane, there are roots growing out of it already. So you just cut those in smaller pieces and you bury it under the ground. You water it and eventually the sugarcane will start sprouting. Very easy. The type of day we're having. We got some blue skies, some gray clouds. Oh, the plane. There it is. Yes, yes, yes. Y'all see those roots, right? Y'all like the shoes? You want to come out the grass or? Cause ants. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Guys, if y'all see the short, or was it a video? We got another sugarcane and ants as well.
I'm about to chop it up.
There's a whole ants pile right back there.
Yep.
Yep. Come on. Woo. And a little ants nest again.
Alright. I'm gonna chop this up. 1, 2. A little 1. I could do 4. 1. 2.
Oh, those things so hot.
Sweet like honey.
Did you have the other phone? Alright, it's time to peel the sugar cane. You have a knife, you can use a knife because it's easier, faster, and quicker to get to the sugar cane. And as you can see, we are just putting the peels inside our sweet potato box. We usually just throw every scrap from the kitchen inside that box as well. So hopefully the soil is doing really well. And we have sweet potatoes soon. yeah, excuse me for the noise. I already had a sugar cane, couldn't wait, and it is really good. And I also want to say we need to get a sugar cane juicer because I was the only one that ate most of the sugar cane, and the juice is really really good, like really good, like really really good. All right, you can see hubby is just cutting the sugarcane into smaller pieces so it can be easier to chew and suck all the sugar goodness out of the sugarcane. They're sweet, guys. They're sweet. And here we have all of the sugarcane that we harvested. I ate most of them all by myself. I want you guys to like, comment, and subscribe. And thank you for watching.